Wellcraft 24. We sanded and coated the bottom with bottom paint and rebuilt the transom. You can see it's got a decent shine on it now in the back. And the rest is kind of, not that great actually. But all said and done, this is going to be really solid and ready for the water. We put in new drains, new scuppers, bottom drain, and that's it. She's complete, basically. Everything's buttoned up, everything's back together. Got a little bit of tape up there, some dust I guess I can wipe off, but other than that, I believe my job is complete. So we're going to call this one finished. Appreciate it. Those of you that actually made it through all these and watched all of them, that's awesome. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, and you'll get notifications for all these other projects we got going on. Actually, there's quite a few going on all of the time. So, or even if you want to get a job done, look me up. Appreciate it.